Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making breakfast burrito. We need 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper, and 1 onion. We're going to need some eggs. I'm going to use about 10 of these eggs. We have a flour tortilla, cheese, and then we have our olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to crack these eggs. We'll scramble them together with these vegetables, and then we'll be back. We'll put them in the So these are our eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, maybe 1 teaspoon of salt, because there's a lot of eggs. And then I'm gonna whisk them together. Saute this for about 2 minutes, then we'll add our eggs. So egg and vegetables cook nicely. I'm gonna transfer them. I'm gonna start and build mine. So we're gonna build a burrito. You can have this for breakfast. It's easy and simple. Make it for the kids. If you want to add cheese, you can add some cheese to it, and then you can fold it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. I'll do another one. Get a scoop, put it in there. If you want some cheese, add it to it. If you don't want cheese, leave the cheese out. I'm gonna make one without cheese. Fold, fold, and fold. Beautiful breakfast. You can eat it with milk. I'm gonna fold this one without cheese because I don't like cheese. So here we go. You can add avocados to it if you wanted to. So 1, 2, fold, fold, and fold. This is beautiful. I have a little tea, orange juice, apple juice, coffee, whatever you want. Okay, so this is a simple breakfast meal. Make it for the kids when they get tired of eating cereal. Just make this. This is healthy too. Last them throughout the morning.